Hi guys, I'm here at Costco, Jacksonville, Florida. We're shopping. Have vegetables and fruits here. Mura lang ang vegetables nila dito. Fruits. Banana. Actually, my son works on here. Kaya lang wala siya ngayon. Oh, look at the papaya. Pero yung papaya nila at saka ano to? Melon. Ayan guys. It comes here mga once a month. Mga cookies nila. Malaki ang Costco ng Jacksonville guys. Malaki. Look at that meat. Na gustong-gusto ko. Oh my God. Oh, diba? Panlaga. Ang lalaki ng meat nila, guys. Tingnan mo naman yan. Oh, the oxtails. Hoy, ang lalaki ng shrimps. Tingnan mo yan, guys. Oh, ang laki ng shrimps. Seafoods. Ay, mura yan sa Pilipinas. But dito is $45. So, yung asawa ko, namimili ng isda. Salmon. Ay, sarap yan. Oh, malaki ang Costco dito sa Jacksonville, Florida. Oh, tingnan mo yung fish. Fish. Oh, red tilapia. And then they have this here. Hey. Ang laki ng Costco dito. Pumupunta kami dito pag if I want to eat some free sample. Dito. Pagkain. Mashed potatoes nila. Oh, kung ayaw nyo nang magluto. Usually, pag hindi ayaw namin magluto, you come here and buy the food. Pagluluto lang namin. It's already cooked. Or you just reheat it. Ito yung place ng Costco. Guys.